So this question looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question. I say that because of the length of the question. It's 4 or more lines long. Looking at the answer choices, I see that we're not actually getting a single solution. It looks like we're finding a process, right? So should this times this represent what we're reading? So what I'm going to do is keep that in mind as I read. So let's read the question. Again, my process for using TWP is to stop at the end of each sentence, write down anything quantitative, make sure I understood what I read, and then move on to the next sentence. So sentence 1 here says the budget for a school band was $8,000 in 2010. So we have 8,000. And I'm, again, scanning to my answers. They all have that 8,000 number there. The next sentence says the budget decreased by 15% from 2010 to 2011. Well, a 15% decrease is it will give you 85% of the original value, right? So I know that I'm going to multiply this by 85%. 85% as a decimal is 0.85. So that's my 85%, or my 15% decrease is the same as 85% of the value. My next sentence says, or the next part of this sentence says, and then increased by 22% from 2011 to 2012. Well, a 22% increase will be represented as 1.22, again, because that's 100%, I'll write it here, plus 22%. And as a decimal, 100% is just 1, 22% is 0.22. So altogether, that's 1.22. So we have that value there. Which of the following expressions represents the budget in dollars for the school band in 2012? Well, we're just trying to see which one of them has these exact same terms here that are being multiplied. So you have 1.15. I don't have a 1.15, so that's gone. So A is gone. Choice B, 0.85. I have that. 1.22. I have that, and 8,000. So B must be the correct answer. Choices C and D have this 0.78, which I do not have. 0.78, by the way, would represent a 22% decrease, right? That would be 100% minus 22% will give us 78%, which of course as a decimal is 0.78. So this question really is all about understanding how percentages and decimals relate to each other, how percent increases and percent decreases also relate. So that's what this question is about. Hopefully it makes sense. If it does not, please leave a comment under the video.